Welcome to part 3 of learning of types of chemical reaction. Let us first discuss about reactivity series. Reactivity series of metals: potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold, platinum. ಕೆಳಗೆಯಿಂದ ಮೇಲೆವರೆಗೂ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. Perfect the reactivity series to understand the displacement reaction. Now let us study the definition of the displacement reaction. The high reactive element displaces the less reactive element from its compound is called displacement reaction. The high reactive element, for example potassium, the less reactive element, for example hydrogen, displaces both. Here let us see general form of displacement reaction. AB plus C gives CB plus A. Here A less reactive than C. So C displaces the A from its compound AB. Example: iron plus CuSO4 gives FeSO4 plus Cu. Here iron displaces the copper from its compound CuSO4. Second, Zn S plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. Zn displaces the Cu from its compound CuSO4 and forms ZnSO4 plus Cu. Pb lead plus CuCl2 gives PbCl2 and plus Cu. Here the lead displaces the Cu from its compound CuCl2 and forms PbCl2.
Thank you very much.